What's going on, everyone? Greatest Hits here. I'm back again with another video. I have some little content for you guys today. A friend of mine that I go to church with, he has some cars, I guess collector cars at his house or whatever. So I'm gonna go down there and see, you know, what it's all about and everything. He just, you know, we had a conversation before when I actually left Kroger one day, and he was in his late 1950s Chevy Corvette, and I saw him, and we had a conversation, and I said, hey, you know, maybe one day I can do a review on your car and do some other content. But unfortunately at the shop right now, but he has a few other cars that he wants me to see and whatnot, so I figured I might do a video on it. Hope you guys like it. I'm about to head to his place and check the cars out, and hope you guys like this little video. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Oh wow, this is a one-in-a-lifetime experience. Oh my Lord, you have no idea. Oh, that's great. Never been in a 1932 Ford hot rod before, so this is once in a lifetime experience for me. So I am low-key excited, really excited. This is awesome. Man, it rides great.
It's a good driving car. A lot of hot rods are so radical you can't really drive them and enjoy them around town. You can't ride along and have a conversation like you and I are having now.
Right.
And I have a lot of buddies that no matter how, every time they start building one, they say it's going to be a driver, and then they get through with it and they're unhappy with it because it loads and shakes and goes on.
Right.
But this one's relatively smooth for a hot rod and a great driver.
Yeah.
One of the hard things about a hot rod is we always like to have the stance down low on them, but you only have 3 inches of travel.
Exactly.
And of those 3 inches, as it sits, just sitting, it's already sitting at 1 inch compression. So then you have 2 more inches of compression and 1 inch of extension. So when you get on a rough road, you really don't have much travel at all, and it'll bottom out. It gets rough, but
Yeah.
on just a fairly smooth road, they're not too bad. But with 3 inches of travel, I mean, there's got to be a compromise somewhere.
Yeah, I don't. Okay, I get it. Like, a lot of guys like to have their race cars or sports cars like really low to the ground, but you know, when you hit a pothole or something, it's not fun at all.
No.
I like to keep my cars at stock height, and keep it as is, because a lot of my friends will say, "Oh, are you gonna lower the car?" I'm like, no. It's already low enough.
Yeah.
So we're doing about 40 mile an hour, or almost 40 mile an hour, and that's the miles underneath. That is crazy. You ready? Yes, I'm ready. Wow. That is crazy. That is crazy. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. My dad has to ride in this car. He's gonna get a kick out of this. This is awesome. Wow.
It took off, didn't it?
It really does. It really does. I'm afraid to say this, but I think it has a little bit more pep than my car. I'm just saying, you know, probably because it's lighter.
Yeah, lighter.
You know, so.
It weighs 2,600 pounds.
Oh wow, that is crazy. It's so cool. Oh man. We got the little vents in here too. That's awesome.
Yeah, I kind of tried to hide that stuff so that, you know,
Makes it have a cleaner look.
yeah. I put the controls under here.
I don't know if they can see that. Oh, they can now. Well, this made my day. You know, I'm off every Monday and I don't really have much to do. So this Monday has been a good Monday so far.
Oh, great. I'm glad.
So
Not every day you get to ride in a 32 Ford.
no, sir. No, sir. All right, guys. This is my good friend, Louis, and he's one of my friends at church and whatnot. He told me, I think a week ago, or not a week ago, several months ago, that his car was in the shop and, you know, I guess it needs fixing or whatever. And so he said, hey, why don't you come by to my place? You can do a video on this 1932 Ford hot rod. So I'm here today to give you guys, I guess, a review on this car. He's going to tell you all about it.
Thanks again, David, for taking this opportunity to spend a little time with me and let me show you the car. It is the 1932 Ford Roadster. The 32 Ford is probably the most iconic street rod or hot rod ever built. It was a one-year only body, and it was also the first year that Ford had the V8, known as the flathead Ford V8. A lot of old songs were written about the flathead Fords and the hot rod. But this is a 32, and it's called a hot boy because it has no fenders on it or no running boards. After the war, the guys came home, and because they were the first year of the V8, they were taking the 32s and taking the fenders and wheels off of them, and actually started the very first days of drag racing. I built this car here in this garage about 10 or 12 years ago. Started it in, I believe, 2006 or 7, and built it to various stages of completion. I did have the paint done locally and the upholstery was done. This car actually doesn't have the Ford flathead engine in it anymore. It has a small block Chevy, and that became real popular among hot rodders because the small block Chevy was so maneuverable. You could take parts off of practically any small block Chevy from one year and put them on the next. And ironically, instead of using Ford engines, they went to Chevy engines in building the hot rods. So it has a small block Chevy engine with approximately 300 horsepower, a turbo 350 transmission, automatic transmission, and of course it did use the 4.9-inch rear end. That's the toughest rear end I think known to man.
I've heard.
The 4.9 inches is a great rear end. This car is a really good driver. Sometimes you can make a hot rod so radical that it's not fun to drive. I have right at 25,000 miles on this car. I love to drive it. I love to take it on trips and go to cruise-ins and stuff. If you live in Mississippi or anywhere in the South, I'm sure you're familiar with cruising the coast, and that's a super big event. By the way, if you hadn't been, I think it's the largest car event in the country now, so that may be one that you'd like to come to sometimes. It's always the first full week of October, and it covers the entire Mississippi Gulf Coast, so I'd like to invite you to that as well. But it's a great driver, driving it for 4 hours to a show, spending several days, meeting people and talking is a lot of fun. Longer than that, like when I go to the Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky, I have trailered it before, but it is perfectly drivable. It has full convertible top stored behind here. It does have the power roll-up windows on it, and of course the doors and all, the door handles have been removed, but you can open the doors as such like that. It's very comfortable, very good driver. People often ask about what kind of gas miles it gets. Well, it's not the best on gas miles. I guess no hot rod is, but
No.
Still you don't think about that too much if you drive it. It has heat and air in it, so you can drive it all season.
What made you want to buy this type of car?
Well, I've always been a hot rodder to some degree. I had an older brother, and he was always into drag racing, dirt track racing, etc. And I was very fortunate they let me tag along and made me do the dirty work sometimes, clean up the old parts and grease the parts, or had little hands and was able to crawl up under it and do things. And I really enjoyed that, and I never lost my love for hot rods. And when I was in high school, I built a T-bucket, a 1923 T-bucket, and I towed it out there every day. We did it in shop class, and a lot of the students learned to weld on it, and we would drive around out behind the school. In fact, I'll tell you a funny story. I didn't know how to quite make an accelerator pedal. I mean, I knew how to make the flat part, but not the pedal itself.
Okay.
So in the early days, I just had a coat hanger run through the firewall with a hook in the end of that coat hanger, and it was a 3-speed, so I'd have to pull the coat hanger out and drive it, and then let off the coat hanger and clutch it to shift the cycle and pull it again. So
Yeah.
we rode all around out in the dirt behind there. But anyway, I've had a long love for cars that I've never lost. And of course, like most of us, I guess, I grew up, I got married, and then we had kids and kids' activities and so forth. And then one day my daughter, she was getting a little older, she was looking through some old photo albums that we have, and she said, "Daddy, why don't we build a car?" And I thought, well, geez, that sounds great, baby. We ought to do it. We probably can't build one, but we'll buy one. So
Yeah.
we bought a couple of older cars and just did some work on them and drove them for a couple of years. And I was getting older, and I said, well, I really, really would like to have a 1932 Ford. This is probably going to be the best one that I've ever had. So just start from scratch and build it the way that you would want it to be. And it took probably about a year to get it running and going, and a year and a half to total completion. And one of its early outings, when it was completed, I carried it to the Nationals, the Good Guys Nationals in Nashville, Tennessee, and it won Good Guys the One Fine Deuce Award. Deuce is referred to as a 32 Deuce. So, and I've often thought about selling it, but it's become a part of me, and I guess I'll just keep it.
Yeah, I think you should keep it. I really do.
Well, thank you.
It's like the best color out of all like 1932, 1933, whatever, Ford hot rods is black. That's just my opinion. So yes, this is a phenomenal color with the red stripe going around it. It's great.
And that's interesting. In the whole rough build, when you build a hot rod, you build it twice actually. You build it once all the way up to the stage of paint, and it was complete except for paint and wiring and upholstery. And then you blow it apart, paint it, and then you come back together with it. All the way through the rough build, which is really the hard build that takes, you know, a year or so to do, the car's gonna be red with black interior. And for whatever reason, when I started taking it apart, I flip-flopped that, and said I'm gonna go black and with red interior. And I've never regretted that decision, although black is very hard to keep, but I've never regretted that decision. But I've always said I've never had a red car, and still to this day, I've never had a red car, so I might have to do one more that's red someday.
Okay, great. Thank you for your time, Lewis, again. This is a great vehicle, and we would love to see more of your vehicles, like your 66 Corvette. And do you have anything else, or is that it?
No, currently that's it. I recently had a American Graffiti car, which was also a 32 Ford. If you've ever seen the movie American Graffiti, that was a 32 Ford highboy. Big difference in it is it was a coupe and not a convertible like this. But I don't have it any longer. So this and the Corvette is all I currently have.
Okay, cool. If y'all like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Greatest Hits. Lewis, thank you again.
David, thanks again. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for taking me on a ride around the block. It was phenomenal. So I have some footage for you guys for that too. So yeah, Greatest Hits out.